Creamy mushroom infused fried chicken. Let's begin by preparing our breading mixture. In a bowl, mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup cornstarch. Then mag-add din tayo ng garlic powder, paprika, ground black pepper, chicken powder. Mix it well at itabi. Next, prituhin na natin ang mga chicken quarters. By the way guys, i-marinate ko overnight ang mga chicken quarters sa fish sauce, calamansi juice, at paminta. Ngayon magpainit na tayo ng mantika sa frying pan at i-coat na rin natin ang mga chicken sa breading mix. Make sure na well coated sila, then prituhin na natin ang mga chicken. Balik-balik ta rin ang mga ito once in a while para pantay ito pagkaluto. Once they turn into golden brown in color, we can set them aside. Next, for our creamy mushroom sauce, magtunaw tayo ng butter sa pan at magsaute tayo ng button mushroom at season natin with salt and pepper to taste. After that, isunod ilagay ang all-purpose cream and mix it well. Keep on stirring and add evaporated milk. Then season it with a pinch of garlic powder to add aroma to our sauce at maglagay ng isang beef cubes to add more flavor. Once lumapot na ang sauce, incorporate natin ang mga fried chicken one at a time to make sure na well coated sila sa sauce natin. Ito na ang ating creamy mushroom infused fried chicken.